I bet you it's about $700.
Oh, can I have my baby bag?
It's everybody's.
Everybody's baby, huh?
Until it needs.
Oh, the guy.
Your cousin Bob's.
He came in to this book.
And now we have your face.
It's not cheap.
The table up here.
Everyone's sad. This
No way.
You sure you didn't that on? Did you get everybody outside?
You headed out there now. I'm practicing on you guys.
Good. We'll be the screw ups at the
I
end
was
of
gonna
this.
say we can be edited out of this.
Like it already.
Yeah, we start at the beginning so we can like fill it on a regular tape after the beginning.
Yeah. We can edit ourselves out of it. I hate it. I know it was
Bobby was trying to show me how
bad
to
too, you know, my kids and stuff.
I saw her there.
I'll tell you.
Oh, burn.
I'm working on it.
How are you? It's wilting. Gorgeous. Because it's whipped cream, it's wilting. It is beautiful.
I don't know how well they do.
Slipping and sliding over there.
Practice,
I think so. I'm getting a lot of the ceiling and a lot of the floor.
That's what I've heard here. Notre Dame's national champion and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
For yourself to be.
Well, how long?
Huh?
They're going to be working tomorrow.
I'm working tomorrow.
Give me your number before you leave.
Pretty homey.
Let's get with the story.
Wow.
Happy 4th.
Well,
I've seen you for a long time. Pretty good. Hello.
Same people are up here.
Everyone rotate.
How many minutes of videotape can you take of the same people before it gets boring when you watch it again?
How are you, big girl? He never changes, does he? You know what his nickname is? Rose. You're Rose.
Your mom.
Manny,
Mom.
did you get a Kleenex? St. Mary's for 7 years.
There's Kleenex.
To see a picture.
Sorry, go right to Stephanie.
Here you go, white one.
Blow, blow, blow.
Green Court. And somebody from another department came in and said, he never changes. He always looks the same. Always.
That's right. Pretty hard to
going downward more.
Gotta look up and you gotta look down. Sure. It'll make you feel so comfy. I know about you, Kelly.
He brought lots of quarters and he's going out of town.
You got good company.
Yeah, you got your hair done. I don't have my glasses on. I look
Soda machine.
I know. But you want to get
It's for the bed.
Well, I'm not going to drink my liquor.
Moving pictures.
Watch Bernie burn those burgers.
Bernie, burn the burger.
She laughed at it when I
Nobody wants the body, do they? Two-door body?
You want me to put the plate?
I'll give them. I don't know. It might be. Are you pulling your engine out of yours?
Says, okay, come with me, and he leads him up to this really huge, nice dinner's office. And has Peter audition. And so after the audition, after Peter finishes, it slowly starts dawning on who this man is. And I was like, well, I think we have a lot of raw talent. I think we can really do some things with young kids.
I turned that on this morning early.
Thank you, I liked it. I love it. Thank you, girls, guys.
I'm kidding, Mike. I'll stay behind.
We're saving these for, well, it's a family.
Pardon? When you go to Kentucky, we want to see those. The threat is unfounded.
You get the back. Switch with you.
I want some out there.
Yeah.
Swimming with Jamie, she likes it.
Those cucumbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can join me. You have
Oh, young man. Taking their pictures.
Or if I get you any close, you'll be sitting on me.
Doing this. Hold on.
Does it say stand by or record?
Record. What's happening when it's doing that?
Okay, now with your fingers here, you can focus. See?
I'm bringing it to people.
Now your other finger focuses the other way.
Can't expect us to believe that.
Ah, we got mother now.
See how that focus works?
They'll turn against you. Did I tell you?
Colleen, turn around and look at me.
Oh, no, not.
Yeah, please get the plate of dessert.
She's gonna eat all this.
I'd give her a second plate. I think she needs another plate. Give her one for support.
Wait a minute, we'll get a picture of that. Is this thing still recording?
And it says record.
It's recording.
Hit the red button and it goes on standby.
With
your thumb.
Okay.
Cute, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
That was real cute.
Okay.
Some other kid in chocolate. Take my hands off. Oh, that baby is the best baby I ever saw in my entire life. They were out last
That's
Sunday.
delicious.
Oh!
But he's taking the camera.
Look at Bridget looking at me.
She's sitting in her chair.
Oh,
and
she
I'm
says,
eating
ooh, I like
cookie.
that. This is pretty, I'm gonna eat
We got it all messed up all over, you know, and Karen just took some water and just went for it. And she just sat there with it. Do it some more.
Really? Bless her, look at her, she's really going to town on that. That's something that you can eat, yeah. Yeah, we gotta get this guy in the picture.
Get me in the picture,
Yeah,
get
him in
my
the
shirt,
picture.
and get me without a shirt.
He's a wild man, you gotta watch him.
Is it on record?
You know, we have some pictures from the,
Bye.
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 Bernie said that you went to Allen's Food Company to buy food, you know, for that old guy.
Isn't that something?
Oh, I haven't been there.
Haven't you been there? Yeah, their battery's flashing dead.
Piglet video! How? Piglet! Piglet, Danny! Danny!
Soon.
Okay.
I got y'all in here. Where's Wanda? No, I haven't got them all in.
She's right there. Let's set that one right down here, baby.
Wait a minute, we gotta put something under it.
What do you need? Hot pads, Tom, put under it. Where are you, hot pads? Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Hi. Hello. You have to introduce yourself. We're just getting ready to.
4th of July.
Danny, turn it off now.
The end of 4th of July.
Is that on? you ready to bring it over?
You can stack them on top of each other.
Maddie?
Then they won't show.
No, baby. What Amy's got top on. Okay. It's hot. Yeah. Go tell Avery what I put in your ice.
Do you want this other one in the oven now?
Get it out. This one probably needs to be warmed up a little bit more. I put ice on her should we see?
Oh, that's real nice. Want it back in the oven?
Get it out. Man, I think it could be should be.
Go away.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was like that the last time you picked her up too.
She does. Just not be Avery.
That's okay.
Alright, I'll take her.
Here's a garbage bag right here, Mom.
There he is. Any last minute comments, Alan?
No.
No? No statements that'll go on
Wait a
on
minute, they got a
record?
glass. Here, come on, here.
Why don't we?
Hey,
Come on, guys. Gotta get you on film. Nellie?
What?
We gotta get somebody. There.
No, they're
oh, okay, Jeff and Wanda, they want them up there too.
Tell them to get up there and pour the.
Honey, it's some waste stuff because we're not gonna take Anne's bare feet.
Alan, you pour the wine.
Yeah, it's waist high.
You can move.
I gotta cut the cake.
On top of so.
In a minute, you're gonna get over there.
Come on. We gotta make this official so we have pictures later.
Am I?
The album.
Well, I
Come on
guess
Stand on the
over.
right side.
Bye. It's over there.
Jeff, Wanda, you get
Come
over
on.
there. Jeff remembers, he's been through this.
Come on.
Bare feet.
Honey, nobody's gonna see her bare feet.
Am I pro?
So
now, Jeff's gotta be over too.
I told Al, that's a whole lot easier.
Get close enough together.
Yeah, you won that.
Me.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Smile.
Wait a minute. I hope I got Wanda. You know,
I'm gonna take one more.
Come here, Kara. Come here. Hey, Wilma, come, Kara.
Alright, you guys. Smile.
Sarah, come here.
She was standing there, you could get her head.
I can't.
You can't, you can just act like you are.
Just act like you're gonna cut.
Act like it.
Best you can do.
Pretend. I can't see the cake very good, but that's okay.
You guys are supposed to do this
Alright,
together.
Jessica, just hold it right
You
there.
better, Alan, you're supposed to hold her hand. Got it.
We're cutting.
Let's see.
You're shaking, man. Yeah, Ann, why are you shaking? Is that it? Or what?
We have to feed each other, Alan.
I gotta feed each other.
Can't she stuff in
Do
your
that
face
later.
or?
No, I know.
I got him first and he got
Because he had added a whole bunch of water to the pool and he got it too full.
I'll be too full for a day. I doubt it.
No, not with Jeremy.
That's enough shampoo.
Anne Claire. I didn't know that was her name.
really.
Kevin, drink personal champagne.
And I saw that Claire on there, the Ann's way up in it. I thought, oh, they got the wrong name on here.
Okay, because on the napkins it just says Anna.
Yeah, I had
Yeah, so space-wise, well, they wouldn't let us do that.
Bernie's phone might mess him up. Of course, that won't hurt as long as he got it on me. You can mess it up.
I don't touch the focus, I just kind of point and shoot.
Is that like what Doug was gonna get? Cheers.
Like the calm down accident happened. It's not so violent. It's really did that.
She just couldn't believe she raced dogs, you know. We can't do nothing.
Saw the blood rush in your head?
Yeah. Eggers too. Eggers all apart, you know.
Come on, guys.
gonna do the thing now. Quit pinching my fat.
I'm making him behave.
Bigger, you know, when you got a girl who's got enough to pinch, you know. The way it is.
Oops, I'm giving him a hard time over there.
Sharon, let's get out in a minute.
We were gonna make
Here, you stay like Bob.
Yes, I think so.
She'll kill you.
Let's try it inside. I'll take her around and see if I can find it. You did, didn't you, Kevin? Cindy, did you saw?
Mom must have signed it.
Come on.
Alright,
You signed this one?
there we go.
Jeffrey.
There we go.
Take one down on it. Come on. Come on. Oh, Grandma, take it
Separate a
later.
little bit, put them in the middle.
Okay.
Put them in the middle. At least I thought you'd shave for the occasion. What the hell?
Whoa. You have to stand in front of you. I hate those things.
Don't you think so, Edgar? Oh, I don't know.
He don't mind.
That's all right.
Okay, look at me. I'm gonna laugh.
You ready?
And you look so serious.
What's this white sign you got on your lap? Oh, that's neat, yeah.
That's from Jamie.
You gotta have one of those, yeah. Are you guys all finished now?
Finished? And Bernie's still
Dad's
on
as
the way
impatient
there.
as Alan.
No, I
This
just
shit over
wanted,
with.
Here.
Mandy did that to you? Somebody said Mandy did that to you.
Smash a kid out.
So you guys have something?
I know it's a little more.